Hi friends, this video shows how to use screen mirroring. First, take your mobile phone, then press and hold home button. Press and hold home button, then you would get these options. From here, select mirroring. Then keep this screen open. Please don't close it. Please keep this screen open. Then in mobile phone, open settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Then select connection and sharing, tap here. Then select wireless display, tap here. Then turn on this option, wireless display. So this will automatically search and detect nearby Fire TV. You can see it has detected my Fire TV. Tap on this name. Now it's connecting. Please wait. Okay, done. So if you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation on mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. That way we can switch display to full screen in mobile phone and in TV. If you want to disconnect, again go to settings, connection and sharing, wireless display, then tap on this name, then tap on disconnect. Now it's disconnecting. So this way we can use screen mirroring. So please try it.